Okay, in this video I will show you how to fold this this round filter paper in a cone shape that can be used to filter a mixture of liquid and solid. So in order to do that, we will fold this filter paper in half. That is step number one. So fold the filter in half like this, and then second is fold it again, so that is your quarter. Okay, so fold it 2 times, and now you can see that you have 4 layers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. To open this folded filter paper, you have to open 1 layer on one side and 3 layers on the other side. Okay, so you can see that when you open it this way, it is closed all the sides inside, right? It is closed all over, and you can just stick this inside this funnel, and when we transfer the mixture of liquid and solid in it, all the liquid will filter through it and all the solid will trap on this filter paper. Okay, one thing that I want you to warn you about is oftentimes or sometime I see that students make a mistake, which is they fold it this way, but when they open 2 layers on each side, and when they open 2 layers on each side, and if it is like that, right, and they stick it inside the filter paper, there is a hole here, okay, and the solid particles will pass through this hole, and all the solid will not trap on the filter paper. So you have to be really careful when opening this filter paper, that there has to be 1 layer on one side and 3 layers on the other side, and look inside this opened filter paper. It has to be closed from inside, no opening. Okay, this way. That's it.